Are you tired of setting goals and never reaching them? In this video, we will delve into 7 key lessons from Buddhist teachings that can empower us to achieve our goals. From setting inspirational goals to embracing setbacks as opportunities, each lesson offers profound insights and practical strategies to navigate the journey toward success with clarity, resilience, and inner strength. Lesson 1. Ongoing evaluation of progress. One of the fundamental lessons of Buddhism is the practice of self-awareness and mindfulness. In the pursuit of our goals, it is essential to cultivate a habit of ongoing evaluation of our progress. By being present in the moment and observing our thoughts and actions without judgment, we gain valuable insights into our strengths and weaknesses. In the practice of mindfulness, we learn to be aware of the present moment, to appreciate the beauty of the here and now, and to let go of worries about the past and the future. By maintaining a constant awareness of our thoughts, emotions, and actions, we can make informed decisions and course corrections along the way. It is essential to adopt a mindset of continuous self-reflection and evaluation. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of mindfulness, which involves being fully present in the moment and cultivating awareness of our thoughts, emotions, and actions. By practicing mindfulness, we can regularly assess our progress towards our goals and identify any obstacles or challenges that may arise along the way. One powerful technique for ongoing evaluation is mindfulness meditation. This practice involves sitting quietly and observing the flow of thoughts and sensations without judgment. Through regular meditation, we can develop greater clarity of mind and insight into our motivations and behaviors. This self-awareness allows us to course correct if we stray from our goals and make necessary adjustments to our plans. Buddhism teaches the concept of impermanence, reminding us that change is inevitable in life. By embracing this truth, we can approach our goals with flexibility and adaptability, recognizing that our plans may need to evolve in response to changing circumstances. Ongoing evaluation of our progress enables us to stay aligned with our aspirations while remaining open to new possibilities and opportunities that may arise along the way. Lesson 2. Select inspirational goals. The concept of intention or right intention plays a central role in guiding our actions and shaping our destiny. When it comes to setting goals, it is crucial to choose aspirations that resonate deeply with our values, passions, and sense of purpose. Inspirational goals are those that ignite our inner fear, fueling our determination and commitment to pursue them with unwavering resolve. To select inspirational goals, it is essential to engage in introspection and reflection. Buddhism encourages us to explore our deepest aspirations, asking ourselves what truly matters to us and what we wish to achieve in this lifetime. By aligning our goals with our authentic selves, we can tap into a reservoir of inner strength and motivation that propels us forward, even in the face of adversity. Buddhism teaches us the importance of cultivating compassion and altruism in our pursuit of goals. When our goals are driven by a genuine desire to benefit not only ourselves but also others, we tap into a boundless source of inspiration and resilience. By choosing goals that serve the greater good and contribute to the well-being of all beings, we align our aspirations with the universal principles of compassion and interconnectedness. It is vital to align our intentions with the principles of compassion, wisdom, and altruism. By choosing goals that serve not only our personal interests but also the greater good, we tap into a source of inner strength and motivation that propels us forward on our journey. Lesson 3. Maintain balance. The pursuit of goals often comes at the expense of our well-being and inner peace. We may find ourselves caught in a relentless cycle of striving and achieving, neglecting the need for balance and harmony in our lives. Buddhism offers profound insights into the importance of maintaining balance in all aspects of our existence: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. One of the key teachings of Buddhism is the concept of the middle way, which advocates for moderation and avoiding extremes. In the context of goal setting, maintaining balance entails setting realistic expectations and not becoming overly attached to outcomes. While it is essential to work diligently towards our goals, we must also cultivate equanimity and acceptance of whatever results may arise. Buddhism emphasizes the interconnectedness of all things, highlighting the need to nurture holistic well-being. In the pursuit of our goals, we must not neglect our physical health, mental clarity, emotional resilience, and spiritual growth. By cultivating balance in all dimensions of our being, we create a strong foundation for sustained success and fulfillment. By cultivating a balanced approach to our goals, we learn to navigate the ups and downs of life with grace and resilience. We embrace the ebb and flow of the tide, recognizing that both success and failure are temporary and transient experiences on the path to self-realization. Lesson 4. Embrace setbacks as opportunities. In the journey towards achieving our goals, setbacks and obstacles are inevitable. Whether it's facing rejection, encountering unexpected challenges, or experiencing failure, setbacks can test our resilience and commitment. However, Buddhism offers profound insights into how we can transform setbacks into opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Central to Buddhist teachings is the concept of impermanence, which reminds us that all phenomena are transient and subject to change. When we encounter setbacks in our pursuit of goals, it is essential to embrace this truth and recognize that difficulties are temporary and fleeting. By cultivating acceptance and letting go of attachment to specific outcomes, we can navigate setbacks with grace and resilience. Buddhism teaches the importance of cultivating a growth mindset, which entails viewing challenges as opportunities for learning and personal development. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, we can reframe them as valuable lessons that offer insights into areas for improvement and growth. By embracing setbacks with an open heart and a willingness to learn, we can emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient on our journey toward success. By reframing setbacks as valuable learning experiences, we can extract wisdom and insight from every challenge we encounter. We embrace failure as a stepping stone toward success, recognizing that it is through adversity that we build strength and resilience in the face of uncertainty. Lesson 5. Monitor your advancement. It is essential to monitor our progress and track our advancement systematically. By staying organized and maintaining a clear overview of our goals, we can identify areas of progress and areas that require further attention and refinement. Buddhism offers practical strategies for monitoring our advancement and staying focused on our goals. One powerful technique for monitoring advancement is the practice of mindfulness. By cultivating present moment awareness, we can observe our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors with clarity and objectivity. Mindfulness enables us to stay attuned to our goals and priorities, making it easier to stay focused and motivated amidst distractions and challenges. Buddhism teaches the importance of setting measurable milestones and benchmarks to track progress towards our goals. By breaking down our goals into smaller, manageable tasks, we can create a roadmap for success and celebrate our achievements along the way. Regularly reviewing our progress allows us to stay on course and make necessary adjustments to our plans as needed. By tracking our progress towards our goals, we gain clarity and insight into the efficacy of our actions and strategies. We learn to celebrate our successes and learn from our failures, continually refining our approach to achieve greater alignment with our aspirations. Lesson 6. Envision the desired outcome. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting our goals and aspirations. By creating a clear mental image of our desired outcome, we can harness the power of intention and focus our energy and attention towards its realization. Buddhism offers profound insights into the practice of visualization, highlighting its transformative potential in shaping our reality. In Buddhist teachings, the practice of visualization is often associated with meditation and mindfulness. By cultivating a calm and focused mind, we can visualize our goals with clarity and precision, imbuing them with the energy and intention needed for manifestation. Visualization allows us to connect with the deeper aspects of our psyche, tapping into our subconscious mind to align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with our goals. Buddhism teaches the importance of cultivating positive emotions and attitudes in our visualization practice. By infusing our mental images with feelings of joy, gratitude, and empowerment, we can amplify their potency and accelerate their manifestation. Visualization is not just about creating a static mental image, but about embodying the essence of our desired outcome and aligning our entire being with its realization. When setting goals, it is crucial to create a mental image of the outcome we wish to achieve. By visualizing our goals with vivid detail and emotional intensity, we activate the subconscious mind to work towards their manifestation, aligning our thoughts and actions with our deepest desires. Lesson 7. Cultivate a positive mindset. The power of our thoughts and beliefs cannot be overstated when it comes to achieving our goals. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of cultivating a positive mindset, which involves cultivating optimistic attitudes and beliefs that support our aspirations. By harnessing the power of positive thinking, we can overcome self-limiting beliefs and unlock our full potential for success and fulfillment. One of the key teachings of Buddhism is the concept of right view, which entails seeing the world with clarity and wisdom. Cultivating a positive mindset involves cultivating a perspective that is grounded in reality, yet optimistic about the possibilities for growth and transformation. Instead of dwelling on past failures or worrying about future uncertainties, we can focus our attention on the present moment and cultivate gratitude for the blessings in our lives. Buddhism teaches the practice of loving kindness and compassion towards ourselves and others. By cultivating self-love and acceptance, we can overcome feelings of doubt and insecurity that may hinder our progress towards our goals. Cultivating a positive mindset involves replacing self-criticism with self-compassion and embracing a mindset of abundance and possibility. Buddhism offers timeless wisdom and practical guidance on how to harness the power within ourselves to achieve our goals and lead a fulfilling life. By integrating the teachings of Buddhism into our lives, we can cultivate mindfulness, compassion, and wisdom, unlocking our innate potential and embarking on a transformative journey toward success and fulfillment. From setting inspirational goals to embracing setbacks as opportunities, each lesson offers profound insights and practical strategies to navigate the journey toward success with clarity, resilience, and inner strength. As we apply these teachings in our lives, may we awaken to our highest potential and manifest our deepest aspirations with courage, compassion, and unwavering determination.